April 12th, 2013. This is a couple days after that last video was shot. Battery ran out on the camera. Quick look at the load I'm hauling in. This is a 10.5K pit. This guy is going to take a couple of rounds of ballast out of here. M40 fitting tank drill. What we're driving. There's my trusty native guide up there. Old Benson View contracting drill there from the Hayes Forest days in Duncan. This actually, I saw this one sell actually at the Shemaine sale. It's got a 3306 cat, got the Sullivan compressor. PR66 hammer, it says the Traxxon 360 rollover boom on it. See the steels out of the centralizers up there, they ran it out a bit far, but that's okay. That's about it. So, just a little view here. Snowed pretty good overnight. Didn't have good weather for the past couple days, but it's pretty snowy right today, which is good on the road. So there we are.